Video, let us learn representing improper fractions on the number line. So improper fractions, when I say the term fractions, it actually includes the rational number part. Okay, so here we see improper fractions. So improper fractions has numerator greater and denominator smaller. So here there is an example given. Let's go with the example. The example is represent 9 by 5 on the number line. So this is the improper fraction. Now when it is improper, you must understand this number actually is greater than 1. It is greater than 1, but we don't know exactly where it lies, because after 1 there is 2, 3, 4, so many numbers. So we don't know exactly where it is. So what we do, we change this 9 by 5 to improper fraction. We convert 9 by 5 to improper fraction. See here, they have written 1 whole 4 by 9. How do we change this to improper mixed fraction? We change this to mixed by dividing, like this. So 1 times 5, remainder is 4. So 1 whole and the remainder is 4. So 1 whole and remainder is 4. Denominator will not change. So this is the mixed fraction of 9 by 5. Now from this we can understand this 9 by 5 is greater than 1 and lesser than 2, because there is whole 1 is whole, but 2 is no whole, only 1. So which means it has 1 full but not 2 full. Okay, so we understood this number lies between 1 and 2, because 9 by 5 is 1 whole 4 by 5. So we draw a number line where we take here 1 and here 2 only, and this 1 we already represented on the number line like this 1. Now we need to represent 4 by 5. So what we are going to do, we know how to represent 4 by 5. We take 5 part in between 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth part is this 2. And we want the fourth part. So first part, second part, third part, fourth part. So this is going to be 9 by 5, this one, because 1 whole 1 by 5, 1 whole 2 by 5, 1 whole 3 by 5, 1 whole 4 by 5. This is 1 whole 5 by 5. 1 whole 5 by 5 means 1 plus 1, because in between them plus is there, and 5 by 5 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So it is like this actually. Now let's see one more example. See here, minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3. Now it's a negative number. When it is negative fraction, you must be little bit careful. Now it is improper also. So what we need to do is, we will change this to a mixed number. So minus 4 by 3, when we change to mixed, here how many times 3 is there in 4? 1 time, and we give minus 1 time, and what is the remainder? 1 by 3. So this is what we get. Now what it says, this number lies between, it has minus 1 whole and some more minus is there. See, in a mixed number, the whole, if the whole is minus, then the number which the fraction also is minus. If the minus 1, then it actually says minus 1 by 3. If it has minus, then it also will have minus. So that's the condition. So when we so what it says, it has minus 1 whole but not minus 2 whole, only minus 1 whole is there. So which means it is between minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, it has minus 1 fully and some more minus is there. So we understood this is between minus 1 and minus 2. So we draw a number line. Here we mark minus 1, here we mark minus 2, because in the number line, lesser negative numbers are right side, more negative numbers are left side. That's the way. And we now marked minus 1. Minus 1 is over. Now we need to mark 1 by 3. So we take 3 part, 1 part, 2 part, and the third part is this. Okay, now we need to count from minus 1. So from minus 1, this is the first part, this is the second part, and this is the third part. So we need the first part. So this one, this is going to be minus 4 by 3 or minus 1 by 3. See the example given here. Here they have taken only minus 1 and minus 2, and in between two part, and the first part is the required position. So this is how you represent the improper fractions on the number line. So even if you get any number, it's actually easier to mark, I hope. Let me give you an example, last example. What if you get minus 23 by 6? Okay, minus 23 by 6. So this is an improper fraction but negative. It doesn't matter. We will change this to mixed number. So how many times 3 is there? Here 3 times 3. So minus 3, and the remainder will be 5 by 6. So it has minus 3 whole, and some more minus is there. So some more minus. So you need to increase the negative. So minus 3, and when you increase the negative, minus 4. So this number minus 23 by 6 lies between minus 3 and minus 4, and minus 3 now over. Now we need to represent 5 by 6. So we take 6 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth part is minus 3. And we take the fifth part. We need to count from minus 3. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So this one. So this is the position of minus 3 whole 5 by 6, or minus 23 by 6. I hope you understood this method. This is the easiest method to represent a rational number on the number line. Thank you.